Hey guys, today I'm gonna install the dash cam on the IS350 and using the 10-pin Type B adapter, so I don't have to run the power cable from the secret lighter all the way up to the dash cam. So we're gonna try to hitch the power from the mirror and connect it to the dash cam. This is what the 10-pin look like. So this whole thing come with this. Extra cable. And this is a 119 Mini 2. I got it from Amazon. I think it's on sales are like 90 bucks or something. Super compact. I had one on a GX too, so really like it. Get the same one. Let's see. Nope. Yeah, so we don't need this cable that run all the way from the secret lighter to the camera. Yeah, it's also coming with one of these. Probably don't need it. Okay, let's get to it. Tilt it down so you have more space to work up here. Let's see. Good. All right. Use it. Pop this open. There you go. Push it in. Slide it down. And then remove that. These are the little two clips that hold it up. So you need to slide it up. See the slot right here? That's where this slide in there and hold it up. I think we can use this connector. On this side. Okay. All right, so we need to remove this. So just this little tab right here. Press it in and pull it out. Then there you go. All right. Before we close everything back up, let's test it out. Make sure they're working. So we plug that in.
Please insert a memory card.
There you go, got full power. All right, good. So this works. So let's just unplug it and then tidy it up a little and then put everything back together. Let's see. Just remove this 3M tips. Is it straight?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right, final test.
Please insert the memory card.
Here you go. So here's the final look. Perhaps later I can remove this middle console and tuck everything, all the wire back up here. Make it much more cleaner, but for now it's due. There you go.